Hello, welcome to our channel, Strong Foundation Spanish Lessons. This is Teresa.
And this is Francisco. The objective of this series is to learn how to correctly pronounce words in Spanish to better speak and read it. We'll practice with short sentences where the consonant we are studying today will be at the beginning, middle, and/or at the end of the word.
By learning the basics, you will gradually learn how to read words correctly and better implement them into your Spanish lessons. We recommend watching the series from the beginning, starting with our video on the alphabet in Spanish. The link is in the description.
In this video, we will learn how to combine the consonant LL with the 5 vowels.
Listen and then repeat the consonant LL in Spanish. Ready? Doble L. Again. Doble L. Great job! Now, let's combine the consonant LL with the vowels. Repeat after me. Ya, ye, ji, yo, you. Great job! Now, let's read a sentence with the syllable ya, like in llaves. ¿Dónde dejé las llaves del carro?
Where did I leave the car keys?
Next, repeat after me. Ye. Again. Ye. Very good. Let's read a sentence with the syllable ye, like in lleno. Este cuarto está lleno de juguetes.
This room is full of toys. And if you liked the video so far, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to turn on notifications.
If you know someone is having trouble learning Spanish, please share our videos. Next, repeat after me. Ye. Again. Ye. Great job! Let's read a sentence with the syllable ye, like in bellísimo. El anillo está bellísimo.
The ring is beautiful.
Now, repeat after me. Yo. Again. Yo. Nice job. Let's read a sentence with a syllable yo, like in lloviendo. Estuvo lloviendo toda la mañana.
It was raining all morning.
Next, you. Repeat after me. You. Again. You. Well done. Let's read a sentence with a syllable you, like in lluvioso. Hoy será un día lluvioso.
It'll be a rainy day today. That'll be all for today.
And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below and click the bell icon to turn on notifications. You don't want to miss any of our new videos. We'll be uploading one video per week. Hasta la próxima!